second story that you guys are going to talk about?
Ma'am, you are
And
editing
why
very
is
good.
in this story why is the duck mean?
You will get to understand after.
Yes.
Yeah,
Now
I know.
Ritul read.
Okay,
Ritul read.
Yeah, well, so.
Ritul, read
So.
it. So,
Yeah,
Afla, you have to
Yeah,
mute the mic.
oh, yep,
so.
yep.
Ritul, read it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Um, yes. Jack and the tricky duck. Jack loved exploring the woods. By Christmas Silent.
No. Yeah, read it.
A tricky duck. The duck looked a little curious. Jack wanted to know what was in the backpack. Tricky, the duck didn't want to share. Following the duck waddled away. Quack. The duck quacked and walked away. Curious, Jack followed the duck. A tricky path. Jack had to dodge trees and sticks. Narrow path. The path was a bit tricky. Curious. Jack kept following the duck. Wonder. Jack was curious about the duck's plans. A shiny surprise. Jack saw something amazing. Jack, the duck, led Jack to an to an old sack. Inside a sack was full of filled with colorful stones. A gift of sparkle. The duck gave Jack a tiny stone. Jack, curious about the stone. Duck shared the stone with the Jack. The duck's secret. Duck didn't answer Jack's question. Curious, Jack wondered why the duck collected the stones. Listen, the duck kept its secret. And thank you. Oh, sparkling creek. The duck loved making the stones sparkle. Stones. The duck dropped the stones in the water. Sparkle. The stones made the water sparkle. Playing together. They played together for the whole afternoon. Stones. Jack and the duck threw stones in the water. Sparkle. Sparkle. The stones made the water sparkle. Fun. They had a lot of fun playing. Thank you. Friends forever. They would always meet. They creek. Tricky duck. Jack had a new friend. Shiny stones. And the duck had a special talent. Sparkling water. They loved playing together.
Actually, Ritul, I'm really impressed by the way that you're reading. The pronunciation is too good and the style is also too good. Very impressive, very impressive. The reading itself is very impressive. Okay, so
Thank
yeah. So now I want Afla to tell the story initially. So Afla, can you take the initiative?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, here should I read which page?
What?
Which I should read this? Ah.
Hmm.
Jack and the Tricky Duck. Jack loved exploring the woods.
Yeah, say the story.
Huh?
Huh? Say the story.
Say, not to read?
Not to read. You were listening, right?
Oh,
You have to say the
yes, yes,
story.
yes.
Ah, yes,
I
yes,
thought
yes.
I
Ah.
Jack and the Tricky Duck. Um, what is that? Ah, the duck was suspicious and was hiding something. Jack tried to look in the backpack, but the duck wouldn't let him. The duck ran away and Jack followed him. Jack met some tricky path. He should climb over the fallen trees and 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 running, and he got tired. Then the duck went into a shed. In the shed, there was a sack full of pearls. The duck gave him one. Uh, the duck gave him a shining one, and the duck loved to make the pearls shine. Then they both became uh, then they both became best friends. Uh, Jack loved to play with him, and the duck had a special talent. Yes.
Very good, very good. So, during the when you start to say about story itself, you were using a lot of good vocabulary, and it's too good. Very good, very good. Just awesome. So keep on going like this. So Ritu, now can you try it out? Can you try to say the story?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on.
Jack and the cricket duck. Jack loved exploring the woods. Jack was Jack was little. Jack was a sorry no. The duck was a little bit. They Jack and the duck they saw together and that they had realized that they want to explore the forest with wood with the with them. So then they were exploring. Huh? Yes.
Yes, yes. Come on, come on. Carry on.
Then throughout there was a wood. There was a big water waves, but there was a big tree. It cut it and fall down. So then they had a path, a tricky path to go there. So then they walked on the tree. So then they can pass the river. So then, so then when they were going to explore, they saw a house, and inside the house there was a colorful gem. Sorry, no, colorful stones. So then they checked. The duck checked. So then they were also checking the duck. The duck was sharing the colorful stones with Jack. So then they also had fun playing. So then playing with them. The duck wanted the duck wanted to play with him for the long time. So then he also played. So then until they played until afternoon. So then it's their time to leave. The end. Thank you and have a nice day.
Okay, now
Presented by
yeah, good,
Little
good.
Harish.
Yeah, it was good, it was good. But what I really enjoyed is Aplu's comments. I was reading Aflo's comments. So actually, Ritul, Aflo was helping you all the way, like, yes, that's true. Yeah, come on, and just laughing with what all these things that you were mentioning, and both of you were too good. It's like, what, having fun inside the class itself, feeling free, not at all stressed, but still improving the language, using of words. Good, good, feels good. So like this, we will meet again. So in the next class, but we are not. Yeah, okay. Welcome, no mention. Okay. So it's like in the next class, we will be doing something else like exams are coming in. So we have to cover up certain portions. So just make
I have one question.
question. Yeah,
Ma'am,
yeah,
Like,
yeah,
ma'am.
yeah.
exam question.
Okay.
Does Rutul has
I know both of
Ma'am,
yeah.
the one exam question is adverbs. Degree,
Rutul
frequency,
have a question. Rutul have a question.
what?
Oh, okay, okay,
Do you
okay.
have a,
Huh?
do when is your exam?
After next week.
After next week.
Bro, my last subject is going to finish of exams.
Yeah. So
So then after
Ritul,
that you will
Ritul
be
is a bit
experienced.
late.
No, this is term one, bro.
Oh,
Yeah,
my
yeah.
term one finished.
Enough,
Term one finish?
enough,
Ah,
guys.
yes.
Enough, guys. Just listen to me. So, Ritul, so it's like what you have to do is make a PDF of the topics that you are about to have in your exam. So, we will discuss over those topic in the next class. So, you have to send me the topic just beforehand. Then only I can make a PDF or a verbal presentation to show that to you, and we can work on. So, do that in prior. If possible, make a PDF today itself. Then only we can go with it. Got it?
Yes, ma'am, I have something to ask you, Rutul.
Oh, wait a minute.